Hi Monstars, my name is Coach Jazz and today we're going to learn some dance. Today we're going to learn a move called the boogie. Now, not that kind of boogie, that's a little bit yucky. We're going to learn this kind of boogie. So first of all, it's really easy. I want you to keep your legs together, nice and still, and we're just going to work on our arms. So we're going to have our thumbs up like this, like you're saying, good job. And what we're going to do is we're going to swing this arm this way and this arm this way. It's a little bit weird, but we're gonna swap and swap and swap and swap. Add some groove into it and swap and swap and swap. And that's the boogie. It's super easy. Now with the boogie, we can add all sorts of different legs to it. If you've learnt your step and slide, or just your step together, you could do boogie, boogie, boogie. It's really, really easy. You can add all of your moves and make it one big move. But for now, let's just practice by itself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Let's try that with some music. Well done, Monstars. That was the boogie. I hope you got it all right. It's pretty easy, and remember, you can add whatever legs you want to it. Today we're going to learn a move called the box step. Now this can be a little bit tricky, but make sure you watch and you listen and you'll learn just fine. First we're going to start by picking up this leg and pretending like we've got a box around us. We're going to step into this corner of the box. Now what you're going to do is pick up your other leg, step it over into the other corner. Then you're going to step back into the back corner and then back to the other corner. So think about that box around your feet and you're going to step into each corner when you're going. So let's start. We're going to go this corner, step. Then we're going to go the other corner, step over, then step back, step back. Try again. This corner, that corner, to the back and to the back. Let's do it a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you'll see I'm kind of dancing with my arms as well. All I'm doing is swinging my arms side to side like this. Our hands are in a fist and we're gonna go swing, swing, back, back, swing, swing, back, back. Let's do it a little bit slower again. This corner to the other corner, to the back, to the back. Corner, corner, back, corner, back, corner. Good job. Let's put that to some music. Well done, Monstars. That was the box step. I hope you liked it. Hi, Monstars. My name is Coach Jazz, and today we're going to learn some dance. Today we're going to learn a move called the windmill. Now this is really easy, and all you need to remember is to have nice straight arms and nice big pointy fingers. That's all you need to remember. How we start the windmill is you're going to put your legs apart, and I want you to bend your knees and touch one side, just like this. Let's try that again. We'll put our legs apart and bend down. Now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get you to stretch up, up, and over, just like a windmill. Up and over, up and over. And we just swap from one leg to the other. Let's try that from the start. Legs apart, bobbing down Up with your arms and down to the leg. Up with your arms and down to the leg. Over, down. You'll see that I stretch my legs out when I do the top of my windmill. Up and down. And up and down. Good job. Let's put that to some music. Well done, Monstars. That was the windmill. Try it, and maybe try it with some of your other moves as well. Hi Monstars, my name is Coach Jazz, and today we're going to learn some dance. The move we're going to learn today is called the slide and step. Now this move has two different steps to learn, the arms and the legs. Let's learn the arms. First we're going to go out to the side and together. Then we're going to go out to the side and together. Let's try that again. Out to the side and together. Out to the side and together. Make sure your palms are facing out, your arms are nice and straight, and make sure they end up right next to your leg. Now, let's move on to the legs. So, we are going to step out, slide in, and together. And then other leg, step out, slide in, and together. Let's try that again. Step out, slide in, together. Step out, slide in, together. Well done. Now, let's put the two things together. We've got the arms and we've got the legs. So together, we're going to push out and together with the feet and the hands. And out and together with the feet and the hands. Let's keep going. Let's do it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and out. Together. Out, together, out, together, out, together. Good job. Now, let's put it to some music. Well done, Monstars. That was the slide and step. I hope you enjoyed it. Hi Monstars, my name is Coach Jazz, and today we're going to learn some dance. Today we're going to learn a move called the grapevine. Now this move is a little more advanced. It can be a little bit tricky, so make sure you're looking with your eyes, listening with your ears, and really focusing so you can learn this one. Now, this is all about our legs. First of all, we're going to start with this leg and we're going to step out. Then we're going to pick up our other leg and step behind. Behind. Now let's pick up the front leg again, out, and then step together. Good job. Let's just try that again. We're going to pick up this leg, out, this leg behind, this leg out, and then bring this leg together. Now, the tricky part is we're going to go and do it on the other side as well. So let's try that really slow. Let's go this leg, out, then behind, out, together. Now this leg out, behind, out, together. Good job. Let's do it together, just a little bit quicker. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out and behind, out and together. Good. Out and behind, out and together. Perfect. Now, let's put this one to some music. Try your best and make sure you're listening and looking with your eyes to make sure you're doing the moves right. Now that we've learned the grapevine with our legs, let's add in our arms. So when we do our last step together, we're going to clap. For example, we step out, behind, out, and clap together. Out, behind, out, clap. Now, when we're doing our clap, we're going to let our arms relax in between and do this, swing. Then together, swing, together. Swing, together, swing. Kind of like you're pushing down and push down and clap. Little bit faster. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And faster. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Add some groove into it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Now that got really fast. We might not do it that fast, but let's try that again with the music. Tricky move of the day. I hope you learnt it okay, and if you need to, just go back and watch again, and I'm sure you'll get it in no time. Well done.
Alright, let me see you do the boogie and sing along. We are the mini monsters. 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 Can you do the box step? The box step. Can you do the box step? The box step. We are the mini monsters. 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 Can you do the windmill? The windmill. Can you do the windmill? The windmill. We are the mini monsters. 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 Can you do the slide and step? The slide and step. Can you do the slide and step? The slide and step. We are monsters.